pages on the pages on the pages on the
Alright, hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm just getting ready real fast to go to a little cookout. I do have on another Nova fit. Y'all see it? You see it? So, the only thing about that is, you know, the skirt had the ties, so I tucked the tie, the strings in because I'm doing a little sporty look today. Because I got the bands, I got the two-piece, and then I have the jacket. I'm trying to do something sporty today, but cute. Sporty and cute. That's what it looks, sporty and cute. I just gotta clean my sneakers off a little and I'll be alright. So, I wanted to do a quick look. Do a quick look. I am going to do my hair the same way, and I think I'm going to do a red lip today. And I told myself that I'm officially going to start snapping on Snapchat all the time, so make sure y'all follow me on Snapchat. I'm going to put that down below. I don't know how to do that yet, to put it on the screen with the video, so it's going to be in the link, in the description box down below. Alright, y'all, so yes, I'm in love with, you'll see this white hair coming on my forehead. It's cool. My face been clearing up real good, so I ain't worried. So yeah, I love this vitamin E oil I've been using. Then we're gonna go into this primer. Bitch, this is fake, not clout. What's that about? Watch your mouth. Alright, so I just wheeled my face. It feels so good. Now I'm just gonna set my cheeks. I'm gonna set my eyes. Cause my eyes be itchy and a little on my forehead. I'm gonna get into the whoa. Then we're gonna get into this foundation. I wasn't supposed to do that. I don't have no more wipes, and I'm not about to keep walking to the bathroom. Alright, y'all. So, it's me and you guys. So, I'm about to get into these brows. Make sure y'all can see, even though the lighting is off, but I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. I need to go to the store and get me some wipes. I'm gonna go with this brown first because I'm gonna do a red lip and my eye just gonna be like gold. So yeah, we're about to get into this eyes. Alright, so I got my lashes, my wing, my eye a little runny. So we're gonna get that right together. So yeah. Now we're gonna do some concealer. Conceal this under eye. Then we're going to dark contour. So it's gonna be right at the cheeks. We're gonna do the forehead, all right there, and my nose. Alright, so we did that. Now we're gonna go into the Airspun setting powder, and I'm just gonna put that all over the side like that. Then I'm gonna do the same on this side. Turn in the middle. So now I'm gonna get into this blush. We're gonna use the redder one today. It's lit. I don't like that one. So now we're just gonna put in some highlight. So yeah, I put me a little color underneath my under eye, and it's lit. Now I'm about to get this red so I can line my lip.
another one. NYX Loose Face
Then we gotta do this here.
I don't know if you can take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby. Spitting at this like it's everything for nothing.
Alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna spray some oil sheen on my hair. I hope y'all enjoyed this video with this my Nova Fit that I'm trying to do sporty for today. That's all I did. Was tie these little strings that the tie that comes with it. I just wrapped it around and tucked it in the skirt because that's not how I want it. And yes, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and share it. Subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, follow me on social media. Everything's going to be linked down below. Yeah, and I'll see y'all tomorrow with another video. I feel like I need to curl my hair some more because it's like 2 days later and all of the curls done fell, but I don't feel like it. That's going to be too much. I curled these two. That's enough. This one a little too tight, but I curled these two, so that's enough. Right? Right. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.
I wanna be a baby.